Will you raise your hand? And at home in streaming land, you can raise your hand as well if you do not really consider yourself a speaker or a professional speaker. However, speaking is part of how you serve your clients, get more business, and make money. Perfect. Then at this moment, let's look at what a standard presentation, and you are the same on paper as 4 people. After all, you all have great reputations, great client list, great expertise, and you're going to charge probably about the same amount of money. Well, what if the first person stands up and they say, well, tell us about your company? Well, we've been in business for this long and we do look after these type of clients. If you are the 4th person and they really, if you understand, they're not asking you, tell us about your company. And the other 3 people have answered the question as they perceived it. We've been in business for this many years. We do this. We're known for that. We have great clients. We'd love to do business with you. What the audience is really asking is, can you tell us about what, in your experience with your company, you can do to solve our problem? Let us take advantage of this opportunity or take our business to the next level. And within the presentation that is absolutely focused on their challenges, their opportunities, or their interests, and while you are talking about their agenda, their interest, through your stories, your examples, you reveal how you have helped clients very much like them solve the problems. What would it mean to you, your career, your company, if every time you stood up in front of 5, 50, or 500, in a boardroom, training center, or convention hall, if you were confident, you were powerful, persuasive, professional, compelling on message, and a resounding success? If you want to accelerate your career, transform sales results, develop leadership skills, or even become an in-demand, highly paid professional speaker, then Fripp Virtual Training is designed for you. FrippVT Powerful Persuasive Presentations is my highly interactive, learn-at-your-own-pace virtual training around all area of presentations. It is almost as if I am there, sitting next to you, helping. Fripp Virtual Training is a multi-million-dollar, state-of-the-art, web-based training platform. It is designed to closely emulate personal training and coaching. It's almost as if I am sitting with you 24/7 as your own personal speech coach and sales trainer. Sign up now, take a free trial, and experience 3 of our content-rich chapters. Then join and take advantage of my 30-plus years experience and in-depth study. Make the commitment to your career. Reap the benefits of FrippVT by making it a consistent part of your personal development. You'll be glad you did.